Let's fill out the Louisiana motorcycle bill of sale together. And do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what this state requires for a motorcycle bill of sale. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. The bill of sale must be signed by 2 people, who will attest based on their own personal knowledge. So make sure you have both of those signatures in place before moving forward. Next, the seller will need to provide their full legal name and their license number on the document. Get that information ready ahead of time to keep things moving smoothly. Now, if the motorcycle has a lien holder, meaning someone currently holds a security interest in the vehicle, you will need a release of lien executed by each of those lien holders. Don't skip this step because it's an important one. When it comes to the title, if the motorcycle is 25 years old or older, a title transfer is required. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.